Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge here at the Island Waterpark at Showboat. They are definitely advertising Showboat. Showboat is back, people. And here we are. We were here about a year and a half ago, and we are thrilled to actually come back here and show you everything that's new and exciting here at Island Waterpark. So we're going to do a quick little walkthrough here. It is the end of July, but there's the iconic fountain, and we're going to head over this way first and show you all the stuff that they got here. It's going to be more of a, we're going to call it an explorer. So when you come here, you got the adventure pool, you got the park entry, boardwalk, kids cove, and all that. And the first thing you're going to see right here is the Wild Wave FlowRider. And what's really nice about this thing is they actually allow you to stand up. So while most of these, they make you want to lay on your stomach and stuff, here they actually will allow you at times to actually stand up on the board. This guy seems to know what he's doing pretty well here, so. But yeah, he definitely knows what he's doing. So, last time we were here was the winter time, so here you got the people who are here all summer and enjoying things. So that is the FlowRider, and when you come over this way, you've got the Surf Bar, which is one of, I think there's 3 or 4 bars here at this location. And here you got the canned drinks and some frozen ones here. And of course, when you're over here in Atlantic City, we're showing love to the Phillies, not the Mets. Now over here is the 3 towers that actually go outside of the park there. You got Barracuda Blaster, Electric Eel, and Sonic Serpent. And if you want to see more on those, definitely check out our what's that called, the playlist here. But these are all tubes and stuff like that. Now we come over here, the biggest thing they have over here is their main island area here, Island Drift Lazy River they call it. And I love lazy rivers, and the last time I was here with Janine, which is always a great time. And we definitely enjoyed the lazy river. I wouldn't say it's heated, but this is an indoor water park, so it is a lot warmer than you would ever expect a water park to be here. So that's what you got in this area here, and I always love this. They actually not just have the names, but they actually tell you which ones are coming through here. So the light aqua is Sonic Serpent, the bright blue is Barracuda Blaster, and then the light blue is Electric Eel. And these are all tube rides there. So, and right over here, I love this. You got the splash zone in the middle, and you got a lot of different slides there. You got the yellow one, that's a dark ride. And then you got the green one there that is actually more, I guess, a typical body slide there. But those are great. I love body slides. And that's everything we got on this side here. So now we're going to walk over to the other side. And from what I remember, the best thing about this place was they actually have an adult-only area with a swim-up bar. There's that FlowRider again. And you come over here, of course, you got guest services right there too. So now we're back here now. When you go up this way, this takes you over to the island area. So let me show you that real quick. Now today I wasn't actually planning on coming to Island Waterpark, but I ended up in Atlantic City doing stuff over still here, and I figured, you know what, might as well. So check this out here. There's a great view, lazy river. There's the slide tower with the splash pool and stuff. And this is the island part here. So this is called Slide Island. So here's the 2 slides. And you got a little splash area that goes with it too. But you got the cabanas, and it basically is an island because it's all around the lazy river. So show you the lazy river again real quick. There's the entrance to the lazy river as you go through. And like I said, this is a great splash pad. It's got the slides in Slide Island, but you also got all these little water features going off. And you got the slides over there. And you got slides on this side too. Now this one's got 2 dark slides there, so that works out pretty good there. So this is Slide Island. And over here, this is the tree house. So I remember this. We actually got to go up there last time, so that was a lot of fun. But this is Slide Island, and when I go across, I will show you that. Now the top here is roped off. That's usually for special events. But there's another entrance to the lazy river right over here too. So, and here's the other slides that they have here. So yeah, this is going to be an explorer because we are doing a full walkthrough. Now as you come over this way here, now we're heading to the other side of the water park. We're also going to do a walkthrough of the arcade. which is also connected to it. And I'm also planning on doing a merge. So over here, here's 2 more slides here, Racer 1 and Racer 2. And they launch right over, pretty much right on the top area. I'll show you where that launches from. But these are mat rides right here. And here's that lazy river again, with some bridges and stuff like that. Now, the one thing about this lazy river, it's perfect for Janine because there's literally no splashdown areas. And over here, this is the Kids Cove area, which has a nice little slide, and of course the little splash areas that you always look for. Those are always a lot of fun. And this is where you get to the title racer. So when you come over here, those are the blue slides there, but got a lot of steps to go up there to get through there. So now this is the Paradise Island. This is the adult area. And this is one of our favorite places here. So when you come up to the top here, they've got you know, a nice little area where you can actually rent it out family-wise and stuff like that. Well, actually more like office party because they have a bar and all that stuff here. But this is all my favorite part right here is the swim-up bar. Janine and I spent way too much time here. And the neat thing is you can actually go outside, and I'll show you that in a second. They call this a bliss pool. But all in all, it's a swimming pool, but it's also a swim-up bar. And you can't go wrong with a swim-up bar. And then the other thing you got here is you got the private cabanas that you can rent out. If you're interested in renting any of these out, make sure you check out the website, Island Waterpark at Showboat. And it would take you where you need to go here. But this is a full bar right here. And then something I couldn't show you last time we were here because we were here during the winter. This is actually a door that takes you out to a private outdoor area. And this is only for adults. Remember that. This is only for adults here. And there's the tubes. You actually see the tubes going by there for the Paradise tubes. But this is all here. And what I really like about it is it's actually AstroTurf, people. So, and you got the games. So right here you got cornhole. You got giant chess over here. You got cabanas that you can actually enjoy. And like I said, it's a sunny day. And I wasn't able to do this last time we did a tour here. But there's all the mat tubes right there going through here. And right over there's the ocean and stuff like that. So, and a big barbecue pit and stuff like that. So this is the Paradise area for the for adults only. So that was something we weren't able to show you before. And over here, these are the express services for massages and facials and blowouts and manicures. They got that right here. And yet again, this is all protected in an adult-only area. So if you're a kid, notice no kids in this area, which is fantastic. It's always great to have a good escape. Most water parks, you don't have that option. But now we're going to go back through this way, and we're going to show you all the different stores that they have here too. So we showed you all the slides. There's the people going up the mat slides right now. There's the kiddie cove. And next thing I'm going to show you over here is the, I don't think it's called Surfer Town. It's called Adventure Pool. And it's basically just a pool area right here, 3 feet deep, so it's not huge. In the background there, you see a flamingo room and the toucan room. Those are the party rooms. So if you want to have a birthday party here, it's year round. So make sure you go and enjoy it. There's a sign there that says arcade, but it's not really an arcade. Play to win arcade. Looks like they took the arcade out since they have the world's largest arcade right outside. So that's just a place for seating and stuff like that. So all the arcade stuff has been taken out. You can find that over at the Lucky Strike. Well, I guess not everything is just taken out because there's some claw machines here. Croc Charms, $5 a play. So they do have some, oh look, they have the Kool-Aid Man. I'm good with the Kool-Aid Man. That's always a positive, Kool-Aid Man. But you got that. And over here you can actually see the Treehouse Bar that we showed you before. It's on the island, but that's a great place to rent out. It overlooks the entire water park, so that's a lot of fun there. And over here you got the food stands. You got ice cream right there. And over there you got fresh pizza. You got the grill, you can get burgers and stuff. And then you've got the boardwalk chicken tenders and stuff like that. So here's an entrance to the Island Lazy River. And over here, this is where your lockers are, so you can go in there and you can change. And then they have Island Treasures, which is their gift shop, which we're going to do a separate video for there. So all in all, that is our updated explore of Island Waterpark in the Showboat, people, in Atlantic City. So let us know what your favorite slide looks like, and leave comments, and have a great day.